welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So Molefe said that their family does not believe him. He says that even Dorothy's Fatosai just shows that he doesn't believe him. Dorothy, I do believe you and I'm proud of you, just that what you did looks dangerous. And then Ona comes Kafone High and shows that indeed Molefe is trending, like he said yesterday, or you'll see tomorrow I'll be trending. Kitabakeli virus. He is indeed viral. And then Molefe is boiling. Clay even go Kawash. He's like telling everyone that people are going to be coming, flooding here to take pictures with me, and they're going to be so Tansekerest and all that. And then when they're sitting watching TV, the whole family sees TV Babulela Kamandife showing all the video Yahai when he was saving that woman. But how malume and then he comes out, oh, why I'm a celebrity? I was born for this. He's so happy. He's like, finally, guys, we celebrate it's a virus. And then things are so quiet between Isaac Leaf Maria. They kind of sort of like held the conversation. Lots of witnesses this and feels bad about it. And then Papa finally gives her some freedom, saying that he doesn't want to babysit her anymore. He trusts her. She can go to school alone. And then Geletso comes back from school and apologizes to Maria, saying that I feel bad for everything. And then Maria embraces her, saying, it's okay, Wanaka. It's fine. And then she helps her clean the salon. And then Usandile is bowling clay. She is making a lot of money from it, sales of the trap t-shirts. And then offers to buy lunch for their colleagues. And then Palisa Pashasha comes to Sandile saying she saw the live Gosi, congratulates him and says everything is going well. Jiggy girl where Pitliga cries and says that things are not going well after the Shoki and Gosi thingy, like her brands dropped her. She can't even afford to pay rent. And then Usandile falls bad, but so I was like, don't even get involved. Don't try and play hero. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.